The real crypto bull run hasn't even started yet, and we're already in trouble. And no, this is really not clickbait. This is something that could potentially happen. And it has to do with none other than Michael Saylor and our favorite asset, Bitcoin. Well, his favorite asset, because I like all different digital assets. And that's why we talk everything crypto every single day. I'm WendyO. Like this video, drop me a comment after you've watched the entire thing, and let's talk about Michael Saylor over-leveraging his Bitcoin. First and foremost, strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, bought more Bitcoin. They bought 705 Bitcoin between May 26th and June 1st for $75.1 million. Average purchase price about $106,000, and the firm now holds over 580,000 Bitcoin. They have yielded about 16% so far in 2025, and Saylor plans to keep raising funds to buy more Bitcoin despite the fact that they own like 2 to 3% of the entire Bitcoin supply. And remember, Bitcoin is a finite asset. Only 21 million will ever be made. You cannot make more. But you can certainly buy Bitcoin, take out debt against it, and leverage. That's exactly what strategy has been doing. Michael Saylor has came out in the past and said some pretty questionable things. Mortgage your house, buy more Bitcoin, do this, do that, take out loans, buy Bitcoin. Then take out collateralized loans against that Bitcoin. But the difference is that Michael Saylor is using his company to purchase Bitcoin. Then he's creating traditional financial instruments to raise fiat that can be printed into oblivion to buy more of a finite asset and continue to take debt out on it. It was announced Strategy is offering #STRD, a new perpetual preferred stock via IPO to select investors. And they already have Strategy, which is their stock. Strategy aims to raise $250 million via an IPO of 2.5 million shares of its 10% Series A perpetual stride preferred stock. A preferred stock offers bond-like dividends but no voting rights. Preferred stock means you get dividends before regular shareholders. I swear, traditional finance is literally like the biggest Ponzi ever, but I digress. Let's keep going. However, these dividends are not guaranteed. If skipped, no back buy later. Each share will be priced at $100 with a 10% annual dividend paid quarterly starting September 30th. Proceeds from the IPO will fund BTC Bitcoin purchases. Do you see anything wrong with this? Because I do. It's become so popular over time to take out debt, to buy houses, use it for businesses, whatever that may be. And yes, I'm not saying that that's a bad idea all the time, but honestly, this is going to implode. It's okay to take out debt if you have enough collateral to back it up, but at the end of the day, they keep releasing traditional financial products while the economy in America is an absolute hot mess. M2 money supply is beyond belief. And we are literally in like almost $37 trillion worth of debt. Not only that, but we're getting ready to essentially merge the dollar to a digital dollar. And some people even say that's a great reset, but I digress. To me, it just seems so risky to continue to do this. I've got no issue with them buying Bitcoin, but continue to raise money, fiat cash, through traditional financial instruments is insane, especially with a finite asset. And yes, they can most definitely default. And if they do default, it could cause a massive black swan event. Number goes down. Bitcoin will be fine though. I'm not worried about it. But will you be able to handle the volatility if that does happen? And again, I'm not saying this is going to happen. I'm just simply saying it's something to be a little bit cautious of. Every single crypto bear market or the beginning of one, things like this happen and end up leading to it. Crypto contagion pretty much caught most of us by surprise last cycle. And now this cycle, we have the over-leveraging creation of cash to buy more of a finite asset Bitcoin. At the end of the day, do what works for you. I'm not here to tell you what to do with your money any way, shape, or form. I just want to hear your opinion on this story about Strategy offering a new product, a traditional financial instrument, a brand new stock.